I'm Richard Davis. I've been in the nuclear power industry for the past 38 years. I've been the Chief Nuclear Officer at Slovenské elektrárne for the past 2 years. We operate 2 sites, the Mochovce and the Bohunice nuclear power plants. We initiated an organizational excellence plan in 2024 to help us to improve our alignment to industry standards, improve leader development, close historical issues, and most importantly, to improve nuclear safety. Enhanced Performance Monitoring, or EPM, it was part of that plan, and it was an important action that helped us to improve nuclear safety posture across our entire nuclear power plant fleet. By implementing EPM, we were able to see gaps that we had been missing, and we were able to make those visible to the organization. And subsequently, by using the GDAR process, we were able to develop metrics that included clear drivers and actions that helped us to close those gaps and improve. Through the EPM process, we were able to further develop future projections for our work down curves for all of our red and orange metrics. And we were able to chart performance and improvement against our future projections. That helped us to openly be accountable to one another. We believe that nuclear safety truly is our first and most important priority. EPM aligns with this value by providing us with a high-level view of nuclear safety at our plants, but also it gives our entire team a leading picture of where we're going and the ability to influence our future performance. For example, in our Mochovce Operations Simulator, we use EPM to help us to accelerate a reduction in simulator defect backlog. In another example, we used EPM to help us to focus on mitigating single-point vulnerabilities in our plants. That further improves safety. We believe that by identifying slight trends in our metrics, we're better able to address small declines before those trends become bigger problems. It's clear to us that as we evolve and mature with our leadership teams, and as we develop those future projections, we're better able to use EPM as true leading indicators, and that further strengthens our ability to influence safety within our nuclear power plant fleet. As far as sustaining the recovery, I first give credit to our plant and corporate leaders who are open to continuous improvement and who take on the challenge of improving our company every day. They have been instrumental in driving performance improvements. I also have to give credit to our project team who keep EPM in front of us as a priority activity every day. As a result of their work, we have achieved dramatic improvements in the reduction of red and orange indicators across our fleet. But most importantly to me, we strengthened the oversight and monitoring culture within our plant teams, and we strengthened our nuclear safety posture. Those things, I believe, support a culture of sustainability for our future. Today, EPM has become just part of how we conduct business and part of how we monitor nuclear safety performance. Having a stronger metric-focused culture at our plants and the use of the GDAR process, those are both transferable to other areas where we may desire improvement. The biggest changes I've seen since we introduced EPM, first, our managers are exercising the GDAR model more effectively. Secondly, individual and team level leader accountability has shown improvement. Lastly, we see real confidence in our employees when they participate and experience the success of improving their functional areas and when they see their contribution in improving our plants. This supports future sustainability. I'm proud of what they're doing, and I feel fortunate to be part of the improving culture change and how they are leading us. EPM has been part of our improvement journey at Slovenské elektrárne. I'm convinced of that. We believe in working with the industry. We believe that by helping others and asking for help, it just makes all of us safer and stronger. So we asked the industry support from WANO. We shared our GDARs, and we asked for a review and a challenge by our WANO area lead peers. That effort resulted in better identification of drivers and the resultant actions. It also opened the door to other industry peers who provided insight and information, and that just helped us to improve faster. We believe in being internally driven versus externally driven, and we recognize that the road to excellence never ends. EPM for us is just a simple and basic tool that we've used to help us conduct business and to improve nuclear safety. We encourage others similarly, where we can, to align and support this industry initiative.